in the palms. See mortuary. Funeral procession. The palms. Bulozu na abu. The brigade. Na ako band. Brigade na ako band. The palms. Bulozu. The family members use their uniform. The woman no lose their name moto. Ozumwea no na ambulance. Family members, friends, crowd use a uniform. I don't know how to say, mana on this Roma, and is eating up the Igbo culture. Adeza akwamuzu ana anemizi ashibi na akwamuzu. Emisi ashibi na wedding. Emikwa ashibi na akwamuzu. Upia na ato ụlọ na onye anwụ. Emikwa ashibi na dedication. I dedicate ụlọ. Na mmadụ lụchara ụlọ ka o dedicate ya ashibi. Wedding ashibi. No one go moto go obuta moto Thanksgiving na church ashibi. Onya nsi obodo oyibo nata ka eje bunatia from airport ashibi. Na echiri dike echichi nye ya DNA na church ashibi. Ordinary birthday. And they celebrate every year ashibi. Akwamozu ashibi. If you only untimely death, painful death, maybe the breadwinner of the family, only the 29 years, 28 years that have not achieved anything. Babili mo ashebi anazo akwa nyama akwa boss nyama akwa anazo on make all them yiri ashebi umu nwa achira na telo kwa mu nkezu bia kenye mfiti akwamosu eluzieba anazo ni na akwamosu. If I have my way, in fact, in 2019, I'm contesting to be the president of Nigeria. If you vote me, akwamozu, abi akwamozu, no food, no ashibi, ikwasiozu, ena. Pain, family no na pain. If why idi anwo, why no na pain, why idi anwo, anasi akedi ni ayeri. Why na eba kwa na idi, anazo ni iri anaka ano. Onya anazo mmanya. If only be ala akwamozu 2 bottles of 2 ball no angada mmanya. So you are rejoicing that the person died. Una like refund negu. Tiebe ni onu ashebi na akwamozu kwụsị ya. It's too much. An age 5 million akwamozu, 10 million akwamozu, 8 million because ashebi aye go down. And the second akwamozu yeje enwe 4 types of ashebis. Eme ashebi uniform. Emezia ashebi hairstyle. You will see 7 persons with the same hairstyle. Ashebis. It's bad. Bible says, rejoice with those who are rejoicing. Mourn with those who are mourning. You see people who come to bury and one day you will die too. One day dig ya nwukwa. Ti egu no nwoge na that shoe. Obuno digi nwo. Obuno nwa ge nwo. Ya na azo akwa. And several of you why if any buta enmity between gị na mmadụ ma unye digi bụ maka akwa ochi yoro gị akwa akwamozu. Nyewa na eselu gị na onye alota. Ewe kwa ozu, ewe kesia ndị ọzọ akwa ya eji wee kwa ozu enyere m ifro na from n'anya. Afọ gị n'anya ewe yara inye gị akwa akwamozu enye gị ya ife ala ngwa gị bụ you are the next to die. You are the next to die. Yiri ya. And their wedding literally me ashebi to God be the glory. And that is why ya woman work You know why? He make tradition. That may word on single kochuku nike expenses. Andrea. It's because of our girls. The girl I go balloy. No bora o you wear pota. Where can end the mother? Go give you wear pota. We get money. Don't guess, hear me. The most important thing is the love. Not all this unwaveable marriage. Unwaveable wedding. And unwaveable ceremony. I want my own to be the best. Before the man you are supervising if I need. I say the mother the father you wear banyezia yipunka is your son. That is true. We can make expenses in this. Hypotasia Gia Kenesia Ibazia inside. We see another one. And each one of bunine shoe nesia abanesia. Abo pagin kitty we found yeso queer. Nature. Ibunyezia de manya in azibedi another one. In can also invoke now. Easier wedding gown, be a wedding. A reception, a UPI easier another one. That is not marriage. Go and check all those celebrated wedding, high peak wedding. It's here on Facebook. A celebrator. Go and check those marriages and go get it. A crash go. That is not marriage. The man and I say, take it easy. Can make go back? Say, I talk on that nonsense. On Kemi and DJ, Jamaica friends, mom, I choro one me. Obuni me I can't see where chop. Ayasaya. In fact, man knows it. What can man Arabu get no news? If you are saying that in a children, and Ubemudi, Bebe can members the yours. Bebe can money. Ayasaya. Obuni me Melinia. Ayasaya. Ijilakagi. Yes, your wedding because of our shepis. After your own personal expenses, it was here digging. Me gave 4 ashibis. O follow now about 7. Nda ye efen kaiche. Nde ye efen kaiche. Nde ye kwa efen kaiche. Nde ye. Nde gene so ye. Iwe kenende madu. Ye different uniform. Nde ye suza ye bi ye another uniform. Nde ge so ge nazia be dig another uniform. Onwa wa mo no ge na ko metu ga sia imakwo ife. I'm teaching you wisdom. I'm teaching you wisdom. Makwife. Kidifie na aso ife ndi anine kan kegibulu best. Go hit ye hit. Ano ya na ememu wokeji na agba egu by force. If you work more na mara agba egu na if all na agba kwele go data go dey egu expenses so. DJ kusosia DJ on DJ man kwakwo on 5,000 10,000 okay ego come up here 20,000 ego cake up go 50,000 ego ashibi up go unya bịara ikusi gbegu o si abịa boss baba egu uku na baba egu kanda ego nwanya na agba on account also 80,000 o si DJ you can stop making the man to dance when he don't supposed to dance. And some, you see the girls dancing. If you don't want to go, Obrokwa no be angry. No go bata ego. Omulu be angry. Ona abasi ike na aboya ike na aboya. Onye nyibia 2020 na orapia. Onye jide tututu ojekulia. Masibe wike. Because he will aka get near. Maybe question. Hello. Okwesi eji akwamoze nisi ozu ewe mmiri enye gi ina kan yari kwa afọ obodo went to a village on within ja akwamozu ndị ụmụada before the because I went there was the person to preach na the burial and I told Ukochukwu you are tolerating this nonsense wolu koboko send them off and I did that. They were like bia or parish na umanda ya beguru that morning no lana enyugo fati umada bia enye fati nye bread a ya agbado gi one day. Oh ya agbado yi. Anunu so cha umada ifra kulus mota na church. Why not stop that nonsense? The enye yiti fa mucha tea with bread. Obo na fa nwuro tea that bread no akwamozu. Enye se fati fa mucha tea that bread. We look for extra tesia na aba. We see butalugo lu fa ni fa kafa supervise here. Hey! I wanna jump with my cassock. I went wolotare. Out of that place. That is wickedness. Una you see about where poor before we lay curses on you. That is high level of wickedness. I gave butagodo ni butalu dan ni fa supervise here. 7 cooler for supervise ya, because supervise cham, one way na supervise cham manya dichi ya dia small stuff. If wine na me na nkudi working na wine na me small stuff, small they will supervise is here, my rice, jollof rice, white rice, masemo, supervise here for we bulia jebe na dia canopy. We put register. When was the woman? See, an idea so you like 100,000, 200,000. I drag about that one. Fasten open every amount goes. Onye diamu, onye nayamu. I said the idea to go. I want mother. Barrier. I don't know why I'm standing, but I'm talking to some persons here. Maybe you are watching me via the internet, YouTube and Facebook. If you are part of those people doing that, perpetuating this wicked culture because of the little opportunity, because of little power they give you. You see a widow crying and yet you maltreat her. Touch your neighbor, see her, Malife. Bitwa kasi Malife. Onu jebe meeting in the woman dance. Gwanu fana ukochuku sondi ilo si odoroma. There are many ways to collect clearance from that person. Not other people. So uzu ya ako mo people aneba kwa. Uma dana muti na bread. You are heartless. You are wicked. Not even outside. Na the compound.